adults need balanced meals to stay strong and alert. Relying only on snacks or skipping meals may cause weakness and low energy. Healthy eating isn't boring. Use My Healthy Plate as your guide. Fill half your plate with fruits and vegetables, a quarter with whole grains, a quarter with protein. Here's how each food helps your body. Protein builds muscle. Lean meat, fish, eggs, tofu. Whole grains provide energy. Brown rice, oats, and wholemeal bread. Fruits and vegetables boost immunity. 2 servings each day. Calcium strengthens bones. Milk, yogurt, tofu, sardines. And don't forget water. Many older adults miss the signs of thirst. Together, these simple steps keep meals balanced and nourishing. A balanced plate lifts energy, mood, and independence. Eat smart, age well. Learn more at www.carebuddy.co.